Restore my soul. That one is more of an intermediate level. There's a couple words that need to be interpreted. It is not a very difficult song. The way that I have rated it is because of the speed of the song, and there are a couple places where you're going to need to interpret. So make sure that you are ready for this. If you are a beginning person, I would go back and review some of the beginning songs that are like one verse long, not very fast. Get your feet wet before you actually dive into the pool. The words that I'm going to explain, the restore, the revive, both of those words mean the same thing. It is to make it new. So just from fingertip to fingertip, slide your dominant hand over the palm of your non-dominant hand. Renew. And of course, fire is just, ooh, you see that fire going up and up and up. Spirit or soul, you're pulling that inner person out of yourself. Spirit or soul. Courage. Oh, get a hold of it and pull it out. Now, there's where you're going to take a couple different words that you're going to need. But the courage or bold, that's another word that goes with this. Weary. Oh, you see all your fingers, 4 of them on the palm of your non-dominant hand. This forms the floor, and your legs are going to give out from underneath you. Weary. Desire. Oh, that's a C hand. It's like you're holding a chunk of food. You want that to go down to your stomach. You're wishing, or you have that desire. To stir in here is to mix it up. Make sure you're mixing the good things together. Stir. And of course, cup, you form that C hand, and it's almost a closed C, but you're going to put it on the palm of your non-dominant hand. Cup. Empty, it is to take the center finger of your dominant hand across the back of your non-dominant hand. Empty. And of course, to refill is you make that A hand, drop the thumb out a little bit, and like you're pouring something into your cup. Refill. And of course, you know strength is that muscle in the arm that you're going to circle it. Doubt. Up and down. I was like, I don't know. This one, I have a doubt in my head. And so, and again, A hand's closed fist. Doubt. Now, fear, it's like different from the fear of the outside or the dread. This one is the internal fear. There's a big difference of whether I'm fighting something on the inside or I'm fighting something on the outside. Fear. Zeal. Oh, boy, your hands just open. 5 hands back and forth. It's like, woo, we got a lot of energy. Zeal. Groan, and that is to increase this way. It's like there's a little bit down here and then it goes up. Zeal. And then of course cold is like, woo, it's like winter cold. To rebuild, and when you're building, it's this. So again, it's just that building. Again, I will sing it slower so that you can practice with me. Remember that you stick with one part, and even though this one has the bass part comes in, don't follow that unless you are singing bass, and that then makes it easier for you who are singing bass to maintain your part. But as a person that sings soprano or alto, I stick with one line, and that is with the soprano when I'm signing. Restore my spirit, Lord, I need restored. My heart is weary, please help me, dear Lord. I stand in need of more strength from your word. Renew my love, rebuild my faith, oh, restore my soul. Revive the fire, Lord, deep in my soul. Stir my desire to work in your fold. Light in my heart, dear God, your zeal grown cold. Renew my love, rebuild my faith, oh, restore my soul. Renew my courage, Lord, it needs restored. My cup is empty, refill it, dear Lord. Replace all doubts and fears.